Ever wondered how some people manage to earn money while they sleep? It's called passive income, and it's a financial strategy that's been gaining popularity over the years. But what is it exactly, and how does it work? That's what we're here to discuss today. Passive income, in essence, is money earned with minimal active involvement. It's the holy grail of financial freedom, providing a source of income that doesn't require trading hours for dollars. However, not all passive income strategies are created equal. Some require significant upfront capital, while others demand considerable time and effort to set up. Let's dive in and explore these strategies, comparing their potential rewards and challenges. Firstly, we have stock market investments. This is a classic form of passive income that can yield significant returns. However, it requires a good chunk of upfront capital and a deep understanding of the financial markets. Earning $100 a month might not be difficult if you have the right investment strategy, but maintaining and growing that income may require a fair bit of effort and financial acumen. Next, there's real estate. Like stock market investments, this strategy also requires significant initial capital. Buying rental properties can provide a stable source of income, but it also comes with its fair share of headaches such as property maintenance and dealing with tenants. Earning $100 per month might be easy once you have a rental property, but getting to that point can be a daunting task. On the other end of the spectrum, we have content creation. Think YouTube channels, blogs, podcasts. These platforms can generate substantial income through ad revenue and sponsorships. While they require a lot of effort to set up and grow, once established, they can provide a steady stream of income with minimal maintenance. Online courses are another popular passive income strategy. If you have a particular skill or knowledge, you can package it into a course and sell it online. While creating a course requires a substantial initial effort, once it's up and running, it can generate a steady income with little maintenance. Paid memberships such as Patreon offer a steady source of income for creators with a dedicated audience. It requires minimal initial investment but does rely heavily on the creator's ability to continually produce content that people are willing to pay for. Automated businesses where you're selling goods or services can also provide a steady stream of income. The strategy requires a fair bit of work to set up and may require ongoing effort to maintain, especially if you're not able to delegate tasks effectively. Lastly, software or app development, often referred to as software as a service, SaaS, can yield significant passive income if successful. However, it presents a high barrier to entry, requiring technical knowledge and a substantial amount of time to develop. In conclusion, the landscape of passive income strategies is varied, each with unique prerequisites and benefits. Whether it's investing in the stock market, buying real estate, creating content, teaching online courses, setting up paid memberships, running automated businesses, or developing software, there's a method tailored to different skills, resources, and commitment levels. The key is to find the strategy that best aligns with your goals and capabilities. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint but a marathon. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely.